Hey, what's going on? Strat Soldier here from the Weekend Shift, only on SepiaGroup. I just got done with a really cool interview with the blind trader from Mighty Soldiers. Go check out his Discord. Go check out that whole episode, episode 23. It's going to be up on the site here very soon. A really good episode. He trades common. He had a lot of good things to say. Here are the charts, and I want to talk about what's happening in the broader averages right now. I got the labels on for the kids in the back. I'm going to turn this off and then turn it back on here in a second, all right? What I want you guys to do is there are people, this is time frame continuity, and it's all red, and most of it's going to the downside, okay? And people are texting me and DM and all that stuff, I'm only keep your stops tight, okay? That way, keep your stops tight. That way you don't take large losses, right? But then, along with that, I got people breaking even, but they're upset that they're not making a ton of money. All right, if you're breaking even or you're making small gains, you have something to be happy about because people are getting killed in here. All right, don't get down on yourself because you only made $200 or you only made $50. I only made $10. If you went long on anything and you made $10 in this crap, dude, you're a good trader. Okay? Our job is to take profit out of the market. If you look at this, 3-2, if you made money here, 2-2 up on the daily, and then in this scenario 3 up, if you made money in here and then took your profits before this crap happened, dude, you are doing good. You're doing great. Remember our only one job is to take profit out of the market. That's it. Okay? And now we are inside month on the SPY. Remember that. Inside month on the SPY.
Chop shop in here, folks.
All right? There's nothing to get too excited about. Chop shop. If you know where to go, good. If you know how to work puts, good. If you don't, step away. Okay? Let's look at this. Look at the 60s, okay? Look at the 60s. I want to show you how hard it's been, all right? Even for the stratters, for anybody, okay? But with the strat, we know, let's draw this thing here. We know how to get in and get out. We know what buys and sells look like. And when there is a chop shop, we know what it looks like. So this area here on these 60s, look how tight this range is. It needs to expand, all right? People that don't know the strat, don't look at all the time frames, all right? Look at this thing.
You get murdered in here.
All right. People are getting wrecked. That's not us. All right. So when the SPY is green, buy it. When it's red, sell it. You know what I mean? At least look at the stocks that you have and make sure they line up with what the SPY is doing. Okay. Let's draw the broadening formation on this thing. And I want one more reason to show you how, this is a tight range. Okay. Now you can watch Sarah. You can watch Rob, you can watch myself, or any other stratters. This is a consolidation, okay? This is a consolidation. Now, if we go, let's click the dailies. Let's see what it looks like. That's a 3. There is your inside bar on the daily right there. That's not inside. That's a 2 up. All right, that's not an inside bar. But you can see how this daily right here is completely outside bar of this range right here is what I'm showing you, okay? So this day right here becomes an outside bar of this day, 2 up, okay? And then they just dumped it, all right? But on these 60s, how tight this is, all right? They bought it up, they sold it down, but the range is so stinking tight, all right? Remember, we want the triangle to expand, all right? We don't want to trade tight ranges. Now, once it starts going 2 up, 2 down, and then right here on the 60s, it went. You got your right here on the 60s. You got your 2 down, 2 up, and then 2 reversal back down. Boom. Now you got a reason to hold puts all the way down. All right. There. That's a good thing. So you can go long now. If you don't like options, you don't want to trade options. You can also go long SPXS. Be careful with that stuff. Of course, it's all a risk. SPXS you can go long with. All right. But this is the price action. These are the 60s. This is what's really happening in the market. I don't need MACD to tell me that. I don't need RSI to tell me that stuff. All right, let's go back to full time frame continuity. What's it doing? They're selling it on the month. They're selling it 2 down on the week. All right. And 2-2 continuation down on the week. And then here's your dailies and then your 60s. Okay. Every new 60 comes in and it's red. Now right here, the continuity didn't change until 1:30 Eastern Standard Time, but you got a 2-2 reversal back up right here. All right, you could have worked a little bit of that, but if you were just holding puts and let's just say you don't know a lot about the strat with these scenarios, that's a 2 up. Okay, scenario 2 up right here at 434.61. Now it's time for you to cut your puts, because if you bought puts let's see here, if you bought puts, hold it up. If you bought puts up here and you're holding them, this is a little funky in here, but hold them, and then this 2 up happens, you got to be able to cut it. Okay, you got to be able to see what's happening. Cut it. All right, even though it didn't take the day green, this is a reversal against you, especially with options. Cut it, take your profits, walk away. Okay, but then it still goes 2 down. All right, we don't want to, it goes 2-2 reversal back down. If you were trading options, I would want you to cut it there, or even find a way to cut it in here. You know what I mean? Let's just say hit your targets right here at 431.85. Cut it. That's the low of the day, as you can see there, 431.85. Cut it and take your profits and walk. Anyway, what I'm saying is it's messy out here, guys. All right, we got the market's closed on Monday. All right, it doesn't open until Tuesday. That gives us a short week. Don't get too excited about things. Go over your setups. All right, for next week. Know where you want to be. If you're holding, move your stops up. A lot of news out here, moving things around in the broader averages. Don't get wrecked. Okay, that's what we talk about in the weekend shift. We slow things down, and then we always put the labels on for the kids in the back. And let's open this up one more time to look at these 60s. To look at the 60s right here. 2 up, 2 down. All right. Look at these 60s. 2-2 reversal. 2 down, 2 up, 2 down. Triangle out. This is a triangle out. All right. Because this scenario 2 back up, this 2-2 reversal back up did not change continuity on the daily or the weekly. All right. So it's a triangle out. Now to get back in puts and work them. So if you didn't get puts here, don't worry about it. All right. Triangle they out. They will. Here it comes. Bam. All right. And these are the 60s. Okay. So it's tough out here. So just a little bit of encouragement for you. Go watch the weekend shift where we talk to the blind trader. It's a good one. It's a funny one. Go check it out. And if you want to check us out over at SepiaGroup, you can type in promo code StratSoldier2022. That's going to get you 3 months of Rob Smith's live trading room for the first 3 months for $99 a month. That's a good way to get you started. Know and learn what a buy and a sell looks like. Okay. And don't get wrecked here. Keep your stops tight, no matter what trading system you have. I want to see you win. All right. So that's it for me, the Strat Soldier, with the weekend shift and bonus vid. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.